and I hope you are able to listen to my voice. So just give me a signal that you are listening, you are able to see. Yes. Yeah, voice lag. Okay. Yes, Tarun. Yeah, I am little late. Okay, okay. I did not receive any worksheet through email. Deepthi, you have to go to stg.learnity. There you will see the, you have to go to stg.learnity. There you will have to, okay, voice is lagging. Yeah, so this is the problem that I'm facing today. My voice is lagging for some people and it is clear for others. So it is the internet connection today, which is there all over the town. Yeah, vernier caliper and screw gauge is the next part that I should be teaching. Okay, so today I will try to teach you vernier caliper and screw gauge. You might have some difficulty. Yeah, you might have some difficulty, but don't worry, I will teach that again. Okay, so because today I think internet is low in many places, internet is low. Because of that, many people are seeing there is a voice lag. Maybe in my place also, but if in my place the internet was low, then everybody would hear a voice lag. Yeah, so for some people there is a voice lag, for many in the town. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So it is the internet all over the town which is the problem. So don't worry, I will try to teach you vernier caliper today. Yeah, so I will try to teach you vernier caliper today, and we will work on vernier caliper today. And then again, we will see. Some of you may not understand. Don't worry. We will again look at vernier caliper in the next class. Okay. So first, before I start speaking anything, I hope my screen is being shared, and I hope all of you are able to listen, see my screen. Okay. So I am going to show you what a vernier caliper is. Yeah. So okay, so this is only implying that my internet is very slow. Okay, but not a problem, not a problem. What we will do is I will show you a vernier caliper first. Basically, a vernier caliper is used to find out more precise measurement than what a scale can do. Okay, now this is how a vernier caliper looks. So let us understand. You guys will have to focus little bit. Yeah, so you guys will have to focus. Why didn't you come yesterday? I came. I took the half an hour class yesterday. 1 hour class. Oh, yesterday there was nothing. Hey, your classes are only from Monday to Friday. Okay, there is no Saturday, Sunday class. Okay, but I hope you are able to see my screen. Yeah. So for that, I just, yeah. So if you are able to see the screen, please look at it. This is a vernier caliper. I can't scribble on this. I can scribble if I go to my photos and show you. I have some photos of a vernier caliper. Yeah, I have photos of a vernier caliper, so I can show you. Yeah. So this is a vernier caliper. Okay. So now these are the jaws of the vernier caliper. Now these jaws, basically when the jaws meet, I mean when you meet, when you make these jaws meet, then what will happen is mostly the zeros will coincide. Zeros will coincide means it will look like this. It will look like this. Okay. This is 1 second. I downloaded everything, but yeah, it will look like this. Yeah. So here you see the zeros are coinciding. Now in the bottom, you have the vernier scale. At the top, you have the main scale. And what you are seeing here is that 10 divisions on the vernier scale is equal to 9 divisions on the main scale. Okay. My question to you is, do you see between one line of the main scale and one line of the vernier scale, there is a small distance? Do you see here in the first case, there is a small distance in this case. In the second case, there is a larger distance. In the third case, there is an even larger distance. And as you move from 1 up to 10, do you see that the distance between two lines increases? Yes, friends, are you able to see that? See, in the bottom, there is a vernier scale. In the top, there is a main scale. And you have 9 divisions of the main scale equal to 10 divisions of the vernier scale. Now I am saying there is a small gap between the scale. There is another gap between the second line and the second line. A third line, fourth line, like that. Do you see that there are some small gaps? Now, can anybody make any measurement, any calculation and tell me what is the gap between the first line on the vernier and the first line on the main scale? What is the gap between? Think, this is the situation given to you. Please think and tell me what is the gap between the first line of the main scale and the first line of the vernier scale. Can you think and tell me? I look for answers on the Zoom. Yeah, Sam, you are telling me it is 1 by 10 mm. Okay. Agara is telling me that it is 0.01 mm. Satvik says it is 0.9 mm. Then Kishan says it is 0.1 mm. Okay, how did you say that it is 0.1 mm or 1 mm? See, it can't be 1 mm. It can't be 1 mm because 1 mm is the distance between, oh, I'm sorry. 1 mm is this distance, the distance between each line on the main scale. So I will do some small calculations and I'll explain to you. See, I had 10 vernier scale divisions are equal to 9 main scale divisions. Do you understand this? 10 vernier scale divisions are equal to 9 main scale divisions. So 1 vernier scale division is equal to 9 divided by 10 main scale divisions. Now 1 vernier scale division is this much, but I know that 1 main scale division is equal to 1 mm. What I showed you was magnified. So 9 by 10. So 1 vernier scale division is equal. Do you understand this? Now, do you understand that this is the least count? Is the least count of the vernier caliper? This is the least count of the vernier caliper. Yeah, least count is the smallest measurement that can be made. If you have a normal scale, the least count is 1 mm. But in the case of a vernier caliper, the least count is 1 by 10 mm. This is 1 by 10 mm of the vernier caliper that I showed. But there is no universal rule that it should have only 9 units and 10 divisions. It can have different also. So if you understand this, then I will explain to you the next step. Okay. So do you understand this? Screen is frozen. Okay. That's what I am today. Yeah. Yes, I will explain once more. Okay. Yes. I will explain once again. I will explain once again. So look, first let's look at the photo. So I hope all of you are able to see the photo. Now in the photo, I hope you are able to see that there are 10 divisions on the vernier scale. Now down is the vernier scale, up is the main scale. I hope you are able to see that there are 10 divisions on the vernier scale, and the 10 divisions on the vernier scale are equivalent to 9 divisions on the main scale, right? So if you are able to understand this, then I will explain the rest again. See, I am telling you that 10 vernier scale divisions are equal to 9 main scale divisions. 10 vernier scale divisions are equal to 9 main scale divisions. From here, do you understand that one vernier scale division is equal to 9 by 10 main scale divisions? One vernier scale division is equal to 9 by 10 main scale divisions. Now, one main scale division is equal to 1 mm. So, 9 by 10 main scale divisions will be how much? It will be equal to 9 by 10 mm. Now, what did I ask you? I asked you the gap between one vernier scale. There's a small gap here. If you see, there's a small gap between the lines. I asked you what is the gap between the first line on the vernier and the first line on the main scale, and the answer is 1 mm minus 9 by 10 mm, and that is equal to 1 by 10 mm. Here, so the gap between the first line and the first line on the main and vernier is this much. The gap between the second line will become 2 by 10 mm. The gap between the third lines will become 3 by 10 mm and 4 by 10 mm and 5 by 10 mm, and it goes all the way. So if you see, this distance between two lines is the least count. Least count is the smallest measurement that can be made by a given instrument. For a vernier caliper that we have now, the least count is 1 by 10 mm. For the normal scale, the least count is 1 mm. Yeah, that is because 1 centimeter is divided into 10 parts. So each part will be 1 by 10 centimeters, that is equal to 1 mm. Do you understand this concept of least count? Okay. Yeah. I'll show you the picture of this again. This is the vernier caliper. Okay. So is this? Yeah, today sir, how 2 by 10? 2 by 10 because two lines. Two lines will become the second line. I'm asking you. If you see the photo, the second line distance is more. See, look at the second line distance. Second line distance is more than the first line. Third line, the distance is even more. Fourth line, the distance is even more. Fifth line, it is even more. Sixth line, even more. Seventh, even more. And then again, the next one, even more. So the distance between the two consecutive lines is increasing. In the first case, it will be 1 by 10. In the second case, idukku 1 by 10, that 1 by 10. The two 1 by 10s will add on and it will become 2 by 10. In the third case, it will become 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10. And in the last case, it will be 1 millimeter. Yeah, today a lot of you are not able to get it. So what can I do? Yeah. Leave it. I think today, why 1 minus 9 by 10? Because I asked you for the gap between two successive lines. My PC is okay. If my PC was a problem, then all of you will have a problem. All of you are not having a problem. Yeah, no, Anirudh, it is not my problem. The problem is there everywhere. That is why some of you are able to see, some of you are not able to see. To see the screen and everything, all of you don't message, few of you message, so that I will then know. Screen is not visible. Okay, so I close that again, and sir, I see it. That is the problem. Half of you are able to see, half of you are not able to see. Some people are saying better also. Now it's better. Yeah, so let us move on. I will try to explain. If you can't understand, we'll stop today. We'll continue later. See, first thing is, this is the vernier caliper. Okay. In this vernier caliper, on the top, you have the main scale. On the bottom, you have the vernier scale. And if you see that there are 10 divisions on the vernier scale coinciding with 9 divisions on the main scale. Okay. Now I can slide the two. To measure. Now what is the minimum distance that I can slide? I can slide the lower one to match the first ones. When I slide the lower one to match the first one, I have moved some distance. My question to you is, what is that distance? To find out, I am going to do some work. Okay. So to find out, I am going to do some work, and the work is this. The work is this. So I'll write again. So look in the vernier caliper. In the top, you had the main scale. In the bottom, you had the vernier scale, and you had 9 divisions. 9 divisions of main scale, which are coinciding with 10 divisions of vernier scale. Okay. So one vernier scale division is equal to 9 by 10 main scale division. Do you understand this? Because 9 divisions of main scale, 9 mm is equal to 10 divisions. So one division is equal to 9 by 10 mm. So this is equal to 9 by 10 mm. Okay. Now, if this is 9 by 10 mm, I asked you, what is the distance between them? So you told me this is 9 by 10 mm. But I asked you, what is that small gap? So that small gap will be 1 minus 9 by 10 mm. And that is equal to 1 by 10 mm. So 1 by 10 mm gives the distance between the first line of vernier and the first line of main scale. 2 by 10 will give me the distance between the second lines. 3 by 10 will be the distance between the third lines. If you see, the distance between the lines is keeping on increasing. So if I move the lower one such that these two coincide, the first ones coincide, then I would have traveled a distance of 1 by 10 mm. I would have traveled a distance of 1 by 10 mm. So this 1 by 10 mm is the least count. Is the least count of a vernier caliper. Least count is the minimum distance that a given instrument can measure. Least count is the minimum measurement that a given instrument can measure. Okay, least count is the minimum measurement that a given instrument can measure. The device that we had, the least count was 1 by 10 mm, which is equal to 0.01 centimeter. Okay, now do you understand this much? Yeah, I will teach. No, least count should not be 9 by 10. Least count should be, least count is the distance between the lines, because that is the smallest distance that I can move. So the smallest distance that I can move is the distance between one vernier, the first vernier and the first main scale. And the first vernier and first main scale will be 1 minus 9 by 10. So 1 minus 9 by 10 will be that much. Okay, now if you have understood, then here is a small question for you. If 15 divisions on the main scale, on the vernier scale coincide with 20 divisions, I'm sorry, not 20, 12 divisions. 12 divisions on main scale, main scale, this is a normal scale. What is the least count? What is the least count of the instrument? If 15 divisions on the vernier scale coincide with 12 divisions on the main scale, then what is the least count of the instrument? So the way we go ahead, let me first check. Okay, many of you are able to answer. Okay, the others. So the way we can answer this question is very simple. Look, 15 divisions, 15 vernier scale divisions is equal to 12 main scale division, and that to normal scale. That means it is equal to 12 mm. Then 1 VSD will become equal to 12 divided by 15. And how much is 12 divided by 15? It is equal to 4 by 5. So the distance between 1 MSD and 1 VSD will be 1 minus 4 by 5. That is equal to 0.2 millimeters. So here we have a vernier caliper with a different least count. So you can't say forever that the least count will be only 0.1 mm. Here just now we have seen the least count is 0.2 mm. Okay, now I can change the question further. First, let me make sure that others have understood. So yeah, others, I get only some 10-15 messages. I hope others have understood what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so 4 slides. 4th slide is here. If 15 divisions on vernier scale coincide with 12 divisions on main scale, what is the least count of the instrument? Okay, so the way we work with this is this, that look, 15 divisions are equal to 12 millimeters. So one division will become equal to 12 by 15 millimeters. 12 by 15 millimeters is 4 by 5. Okay, now one of you asked the question, if each division is 4 by 5 mm, then the least count should be 4 by 5. For a normal scale, what did we do? The length of one instrument, the length of one division was the least count. So here also it should be the same. What you have to understand is that in case of a vernier caliper, you slide one scale on another. Okay, when you slide one scale on another, it's the distance between, it is the distance between lines. Distance between lines which becomes the least count, and that too the distance between the first line. The distance between the two second lines will be 2 times that much. Third line will be 2 times that much. So let's look at the picture of a vernier caliper, then we may be able to say it a little better. So that is all screw gauge. 1 minute, just a second. Yeah. Now if you see here what am I doing? I keep sliding. The vernier scale keeps, sorry. I'm sorry, 1 minute. So here what we are doing is we are sliding, the vernier scale is sliding over the main scale. So when the vernier scale is sliding, the least count is the least distance that I can slide. And the least distance that I can slide was the distance between the first, the distance between the first 2 lines. Right? That is the least distance. The second least distance is the second one. So I see that distance between 2 successive lines is just a multiple of 1 by 10. So that least number is called the least count. Okay, so I hope this you are able to understand. Now, if you are able to understand this, there is one last question, that in a vernier caliper, the main scale has 20 divisions. Between 1 centimeter. That means each centimeter is divided into 20 divisions. Okay. Now the ninth main scale division coincides with the 10th vernier scale division. What is the least count? So in a vernier scale, the main scale division, 1 centimeter, is divided into 20 divisions, and the 9th main scale division coincides with the 10th vernier scale division. The question is, what is the least count? Yes, the least count will change depending on the instrument that I have. Different instruments will have different least counts. Different instruments will have different least counts. So I can go and buy in the market, I can buy 3, 4, they won't have 100 types of, each one won't be different, but they will have 2-3 types of vernier calipers. In some cases, the least count will be 1. This one that I gave you, the question that I gave you now is the other popular one. The question that I gave you now is the other popular one. This is the other popular one available in the market. Okay, can you find out the least count? So in the vernier caliper, so I'll help you do this. So in the vernier caliper, the main scale has 20 divisions. That means, can I say that each division is 1/20th of a centimeter? That is equal to 1/10th of a millimeter. That is 1/2 of a millimeter. That means each one is half a millimeter. Now I am saying that the 10 divisions coincide with 9. That means 10 division coincide with 4.5 mm. That means one division will be 4.5 by 10. So that is equal to 0.45 mm. Now, what did we say is the least count? Is the least count is the distance between the one of here and one of here. So it will become 0.5 minus 0.45. And how much is 0.5 minus 0.45? That will be 0.05. So 0.05 mm is the least count of this particular vernier caliper. So these are the two popular ones which are available in the market. So you can get a vernier caliper which has a least count 0.1 mm. You can get a vernier caliper which has a least count 0.05 mm. Okay, so please think about this for some time. Please understand that we are trying to slide one scale over the other. Please explain to yourself that it is the distance between two successive lines which will give me the actual measurement. Yeah, so if I have slid, if my third division coincides, that means I have moved 3 times the shortest distance. If my fifth division coincides, it means I have moved 5 times the shortest distance. Okay, so if you are able to understand this, then I will move ahead. How 4.5? 4.5 is what? 9 into 0.5 by 10. 9 into 0.5 is 4.5. 4.5 by 10. Yeah, it's more precise. Yes. Okay, 9 into 0.5 is how much? No, 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 no. It is not 10. That is what I was trying to explain. See, what I am trying to tell you here. See, in the first example that I did, each one was 1 mm. Each main scale was 1 mm. Now, one main scale is not 1 mm. One main scale is 0.5 mm. Why is it 0.5 mm? Because 1 centimeter, which is equal to 10 millimeter, is divided into 20 parts. So each part will be how much? Half a mm. Half a mm means how much? 0.5 mm. So one line is 0.5 mm. Now I am saying that 9 main scale divisions coincide with 10 vernier scale divisions. So 9 main scale divisions will be how much? 1 is 0.5. So 9 will be how much? 9 into 0.5. And 9 into 0.5 is 4.5 mm. Yeah. Now 4.5 mm is equal to 10 vernier scale division. So one vernier scale division will become equal to 4.5 by 10. That is equal to 0.45 mm. So the distance between one vernier scale division and the first main scale division will be 0.5 minus 0.45, which is equal to 0.05 mm. Which is equal to 0.05 mm. So this is the least count of this vernier caliper. Okay. Yeah, instead of 9 mm at the 9th division, it becomes 4.5. Yeah, because one division is 0.5 mm exactly. Errors come here also. Errors come here. That is the next trouble. That is the biggest problem with errors. They come everywhere. So now Zoom is also showing error for some people. Okay, so I will explain once again and then we will change. Change means we'll go to slightly more difficult concept. So another question I am giving, that in a vernier caliper, the main scale has 12 divisions in 1.5 centimeter. Okay, in a vernier caliper, the main scale has 12 divisions in 1.5 centimeter. Then the ninth division of vernier caliper coincides with 8 divisions of the main scale. What is the least count? Okay, in a vernier caliper, the main scale has 12 divisions in 1.5 centimeters. The ninth division of the vernier caliper coincides with 8 divisions of the main scale. The question is, what is the least count?
Okay, so just ask them to wait. There is a glass now. So finish பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க.
Okay, so I will help you do this question. First thing is, there are 12 divisions for 1.5 centimeters. So for one main scale division, I want to find out what is the measurement. So can I say that 12 divisions are there in 15 millimeters? So can I say one division is equal to 15 by 12 millimeters? 15 by 12, 5 will go, 3 will go 5 times, 5 times, 4 times. So can I say it is 5 by 4 millimeter? One division is 5 by 4 millimeter. Yeah. Then I am seeing that the ninth division of vernier caliper coincides with 8 divisions. So if one division is 5 by 4, 8 divisions will be how much? 8 into 5 by 4. So 8 into 5 by 4 is how much? 8 into 5 by 4 is like 10 millimeters. Now 9 divisions are there in 10 millimeters. So one division will be how much? One division will be 10 by 9 mm. Yeah. Now what is the least count? The least count is the least count here. I mean this distance minus this distance. So it will become 5 by 4 minus 10 by 9. And that will become 9, 4. I think 36 will be the LCM. So it will become 45 minus 40. So So it will become 5 by 36. So 5 by 36 mm is going to be the least count. Yeah. So 5 by 36 mm will be the least count. Are you able to understand that? So the least count is equal to the measurement of one main scale division minus measurement of one vernier scale division. Okay, so least count is equal to this much. Least count is also equal to 1 minus a number of divisions on main scale coinciding with number of divisions on vernier scale into least count of main scale. Okay, forget about these formulas. If you understand how you have done, you are done. This is a very difficult question. It will not come in your, I mean, it may come, I don't set the paper, but this is a difficult question. If you are able to understand that 1 by 0.1 and 0.05, very good. Now, I'm getting tired of explaining. Yeah, I'll show you the last slide. 5 by 36. Okay, so first I'll show you the last slide. The last slide here again I'm showing. Please think about it. Why don't you just work it? So the least count is the distance between one vernier scale and one main scale. The distance between one vernier scale division and one main scale division. One main scale division usually will be 1 millimeter. Then you have to find out for the vernier scale. Now, if 10 divisions coincide with 9 divisions, then you have to understand that 10 vernier scale divisions are equal to 9 main scale divisions. That means one vernier scale division will be equal to 9 by 10 main scale division. So the least count is 1 minus 9 by 10. So that is one situation. That is the most common situation. Now I am creating situations. So here is I have created a situation. I have created a situation where there are 12 divisions coinciding with 1.5. So you have to first find out what is the length of 1. So the length of 1 is 12 for 15. So 15 by 12, which is 4 by 5 mm. Which is 4 by 5 mm. This is the length of 1 mm, of one division, sorry. This is the length of one division. The length of one division is this much. Now, once you understand the length of one division here, this is the length of one division of main scale. Then you need to understand the length of one division of vernier scale. So how will you understand that? So here it is, the length of one division. So 9 divisions coincide with, sorry, here 8 divisions coincide with 9 of vernier scale. 9 of vernier scale coincide with 8 of main scale. So 1 of vernier scale will coincide with 8 by 9 of main scale. But 1 of main scale is already 5 by 4. So it will become into 5 by 4. Okay, so into 5 by 4. So when you work this out, so 4 will go 2 times, so it will become 10 by 9. So one division is equal to 10 by 9 mm. So we found out length of one division of vernier main scale. We found out length of one division of vernier scale, and least count is the distance between them. So 5 by 4 minus 10 by 9, take LCM and work out, you get 5 by 36. So 5 by 36 will give you the distance between the two. So that is the least count. Okay, I'm tired. Yeah. Yeah. We will stop. We will stop. Okay. So yeah, fine. I'll stop here. We'll continue from here tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Slides from the first. Yeah. I'll show. So here is the first one. Here is the second one. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. Eight. 9. 10. Okay. Yeah. So see you guys. Bye.